Hello everyone and welcome to my class. Now in this video I'll be discussing about what happened after the October Revolution in Russia. In my previous video I have already discussed about the October Revolution. Now in October Revolution, the significance of this revolution in Russia was that the provincial government, which was earlier formed under the Kerensky, Alexander Kerensky of Menshevik party, that collapsed due to October Revolution. It took place in the same year when the February Revolution took place, that is the year of 1917. Right. So let's see what happened after the October Revolution in Russia. First thing that happened was the Bolshevik party. It renamed the party as Russian Communist Party. Now the Bolshevik party became Russian Communist Party. Lenin was always in favor of nationalizing the bank, right? For centralization, it was required that banks need to be centralized or nationalized, right? So nationalization of bank was done. Properties of czars and church, which was earlier in the control of czar and church, were confiscated. Redistribution of property, land was done because according to Lenin, the land should be given to the farmers, to the real tiller of the soil, right? So this was done by the Bolshevik party. Then it also banned the old titles, which earlier the aristocratic class used to use the titles before their names, right? Such titles were banned now. New uniform for the army was designed, especially the Soviet hat was designed during this time and adopted by the army. Now in November 1917, the Bolsheviks held the elections of National Assembly, right? But unfortunately Bolshevik failed to gain the majority votes, right? So Bolshevik, Lenin thought that the all Russian Congress of Soviet is far much democratic than the National Assembly. So he rejected to accept the authority of the assembly, right? Now a treaty of Brest-Litovsk was signed with Germany. This is very important. इस ट्रीटी के कारण जर्मनी के साथ रशिया ने ये ट्रीटी साइन की थी, एंड ड्यू टू दिस ट्रीटी रशिया विड्रॉ फ्रॉम द वॉर, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. So as when the all European powers were fighting in the war, Russia was the first major nation to withdraw from the war. This was done by the Bolsheviks. Now Bolshevik became the only party to participate in all Russia Congress of Soviets, right? One of the major party, and thus they gained popularity. And they also formed a secret police called Cheka. Cheka was the earlier name of the secret police in Russia, and later it was named as OGPU and NKVD. Probably the Russian words were used for the secret police, right? When Russia withdrew from the war and other nations were still indulged in war, what happened in Russia, that a phase of civil war started. Civil war is a situation when different groups within one nation, they fight to have powers. सत्ता को पाने के लिए आपस में ही कई ग्रुप्स लड़ते हैं विद इन वन नेशन, राइट? तो इस तरह की सिचुएशन थी रशिया में आफ्टर रशिया विड्रॉ फ्रॉम द वॉर. जार भाग चुका था. हु विल गोइंग टू रूल द नेशन? तो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स वर देयर इन रशिया. व्हेन वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस चैप्टर, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू वेरियस टर्म्स लाइक द रेडिकल्स, लिबरल्स, सोशलिस्ट. All these terms I have discussed it with. If you have not seen my previous videos, please watch those videos and you'll come to know about these social groups, right? So a civil war started in Russia, where different groups in Russia were fighting among each other, leading to violent killing of members of each other's group, right? So three prominent groups were the pro-Tsarist, those who still believe that Tsar should rule the nation, right? They were the supporter of the monarchy. Socialist revolutionary, pro-Tsarist को whites भी बोला जाता था. Socialist revolutionaries, they were the second group जो सोशलिज्म को स्टैब्लिश करना चाहते थे. उनको ग्रीन्स कहा जाता था, एंड द बॉल्शेविक्स हु वर रेड, उनको रेड कहा जाता था. दीज थ्री ग्रुप्स वर प्रोमिनेंट ग्रुप्स फाइटिंग फॉर हैविंग पावर इन देयर हैंड्स. सो अ सिविल वॉर वाज गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन दीज ग्रुप्स. सो इट लीड्स टू killing of each other's member, right? Bolshevik redistribution, a short phase of Bolshevik ruling, not exactly ruling, but they were having the powers in their hand when they won the All Russian Congress of Soviet election. So they redistributed the lands to the peasant. Remember, in April thesis, this was one of the major demand of Lenin, that land should belongs to the farmers, not to the nobles, to the church or to the state, because they were the real ones who actually tilled the land. So he redistributed the lands to the peasant. Earlier, when Tsars were ruling Russia, the majority land was in the hands of Tsars and church and nobles, and that is the reason why the peasants, the farmers, they didn't like the nobles. तो अब बॉल्शेविक पावर में आई तो उन्होंने नोबल्स के लैंड्स को कन्फेस्टिकेट किया, चर्च के लैंड को कन्फेस्टिकेट किया, एंड दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द लैंड टू द पेजेंट्स. So those peasants, those farmers who had earlier joined the army to support the Bolsheviks, now they left the armies and they wanted to live a settled life. So they once again adopted their previous occupation of farming, right? So this also took place when they in greed of owning land, they left the armies and they once again became the farmers. This happened. Now, when the civil war was going on between these groups, what steps were taken by these groups, especially the Tsarist people who believed that Tsar should rule the nation? They took very repressive actions against these groups. दे फाइटिंग करना, मारना एक दूसरे के मेंबर्स को, ऐसा प्रो ज़ारिस्ट ग्रुप जो वाइट्स थे वो कर रहे थे, विच लीड्स टू देयर अनपॉपुलैरिटी अमंग द पीपल, right? So they became quite unpopular, and moreover the people in Russia, they were frustrated with the rule of Tsar, so they didn't like the pro-Tsarist people, right? So this gave a boost to Bolsheviks and the social revolutionaries. Now Bolshevik taking a lead, what steps Bolsheviks have taken? They took the help of other nationalities. Russia एक ऐसा, remember when we have discussed about the empire, Russian empire, I have told you that there were different regions that were occupied, that was controlled by the Russian empire. Different nationalities were living in Russian empire, so they started giving support to these nationalities, right? छोटे छोटे नेशंस थे, रीजन्स थे जो कि रशियन नहीं थे, उन्हें भी रशियन एम्पायर में मिलाया गया था एक समय पे, तो दे वर पार्ट ऑफ रशियन एम्पायर. पर लेकिन ऐसे में बोल्शेविक्स ने क्या किया, इन स्मॉल नेशनैलिटीज़ को अपनी ओर मिलाया. लाइक द एग्जांपल ऑफ जेडिडिस्ट वो होते हैं जो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के होते हैं, एंड दे वांटेड टू रिफॉर्म द मुस्लिम community, right? So such groups were promoted by the Bolsheviks, and they promised the small nationalities that after winning the election, after forming the government, they will give the political autonomy to these nationalities. मतलब अपने अपने region में ये nationalities अपनी सरकार, अपने decisions खुद ले पाएंगे, ऐसा उन्हें प्रॉमिस किया गया बाय बोल्शेविक्स. सो दे started supporting the Bolsheviks. Now the banks and industries were kept nationalized during the civil war. हालांकि आपस में लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे थे, लेकिन फिर भी बोल्शेविक पार्टी ने इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखा था कि बैंक्स को, इंडस्ट्रीज़ को नेशनलाइज ही रहना चाहिए, सेंट्रलाइज वे में ही काम करना चाहिए, तभी मतलब देश का जो है प्रोग्रेस हो सकती है. So they kept banks and industries nationalized. Then process of central planning was adopted. First time 5-year plan was made, and the 5-year plan is an economic planning done by the government to achieve certain goals within 5 years. सो इनिशियल फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड 5 ईयर प्लान का जो इनिशियल एम्फोसिस था वो था डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज इन रशिया. रशिया एज कंपेयर टू अदर यूरोपियन पावर्स were not having enough industries of its own. So their target was to build industries. They wanted to develop their industries for giving a boost to the Russian economy, right? So centralized planning was done. So the help of this, with the help of 5-year planning, Russia improved its economy. So when the economic crisis took place in the year 1929, by that time Russia was having a very sound economy, and this was became one of the reasons that Russia escaped from that economic planning, right? When other nations were suffering from that disaster, but Russia was the nation which escaped from that period of economic planning, economic depression, right? Now things were, or steps were, measures were taken for the welfare of the working class. How? Though the industries were built on a large scale, then to improve the lives of the workers, what other facilities were given by the government? That crutches were made so that the workers can have the facility where they can leave their children, small children, and they can work in industries near to the factories. ठीक है. Then cheap medical facilities were given. Earlier no medical facilities were given for the workers. Then cheap accommodations for the workers near to the factory area or near to the industrial area. Such things were done so that the working class, the worker class should be satisfied, because they were the main force behind the popularity of Bolsheviks. They were the ones, because Bolshevik got the maximum support from the working class. So these steps were taken to improvise the lives of the workers in Russia. So these were the changes that came after the October Revolution, and the steps taken by the Bolshevik party after coming to power, right? So go through these points. Things are quite difficult, but you need to relate the things. If you have understood the previous or the background of these incidents, then you will be able to relate everything. Why nationalization of bank was required, why the land need to be given to the farmers. These were the agenda of the Bolshevik party, which makes them different from other political parties there in Russia, and this was the only reason they gained the popularity. Matlab, these points we starting say, if you have watched the videos, you'll be able to understand, because initially when I started doing this chapter, I have told you that the facts are quite confusing and complicated, but if you try to understand these words in a proper manner, then only you'll be able to use it and understand it in a better way, right? So make your notes, go through the points again, and revise the topic again and again, right? So thanks for watching. Please like, share and review, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.